Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel AYESHA'S Home Kitchen and Creations. Today I'm going to prepare easy, tasty and spicy recipe that is chicken 555. Let's have a look on ingredients. Ingredients we need, I have taken half kg of boneless chicken. This is a half kg of boneless chicken which I have made into the long pieces, long thin pieces. See, in this type we have to make this pieces. Wash and keep it thoroughly aside. Then 2 tsp of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, it is 1 egg, and capsicum, 1 cup of fine roughly chopped capsicum, and 1 cup of roughly chopped onions. This is all-purpose flour maida, and this is corn flour powder. We have taken the corn flour powder, 2 tsp of corn flour powder, and 1 tsp of my all-purpose flour, that is maida. It is only used for the binding purpose. Then 5 to 7 green chilies which I had given a slice in between, coriander, curry leaves, few cashew nuts, and this is pepper powder, red chili powder, salt, and fine chopped garlic. And this is green chili sauce, soya sauce, vinegar, and tomato sauce. These are the ingredients we need to prepare chicken 555. Okay, let's start. And sufficient oil for deep fry. First, let's start the recipe. First step is marination. Take this half kg of boneless chicken and we'll add all the ingredients for the marination. This is all-purpose flour maida, 1.5 teaspoon I am adding here. Corn flour, 2 tsp. And pepper powder, 1 tsp of pepper powder. Salt according to the taste. And 2 tsp of ginger garlic paste. And 1 egg. And give it a good mix. Mix it well. See, completely I have been mixed all the pieces. Now let it marinate it for 15 minutes. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. After marination, we will fry. Meanwhile, I'll keep the oil for deep fry. For chicken 555, we have to take the completely boneless chicken. We have left it for marination. Yes, the 15 minutes has been completed. After marination, we are going to deep fry. Yes, oil has been heated. We will deep fry the pieces now. Let it become some golden brown color. Then we will remove it and transfer into the bowl. fry it till it becomes a little bit golden brown. Yes, it has become the golden brown. Let's remove and keep aside. The same way we are going to fry the rest of the chicken. Yes, it has become golden brown. Shall we transfer it? It has become very golden brown. The next step is, yes, I have taken the pan and add some oil. Then in this, I'm going to add the fine chopped garlic. Then few cashew nuts. Now add some curry leaves. And green chilies. Give it a good mix. And add this roughly chopped onions. Now add little bit of salt. One teaspoon of chili powder, red chili powder. And this capsicum, roughly chopped capsicum. Next, give it a good mix. Now let it cook for 5 minutes. Now add 1 spoon of green chili sauce. And add 2 spoons of tomato sauce. 2 spoonsful of tomato sauce. Give it a good mix once again. Now half teaspoon of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Yes, now add all this fried chicken pieces into this. Okay, add all these chicken pieces and mix it well once again. Yes, now this is ready to serve. It is completely cooked. Now shall we dish out? Now shall we dish out the recipe? Now finally garnish with some coriander leaves. Yes, mashallah, yummy, tasty and spicy chicken 555 is ready to eat. Don't forget to hit the like button. Try it once at your home. Try it once, it is very easy. People who like the boneless chicken, they love this recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified. Thank you. Thanks for watching.